Woody.
What, are you filming?
Yeah?
Oh, I finished!
Alright, class, 15 minutes until the test is over.
What?
Ow!
I can't do this!
Oh, hey, I know this.
You again?
What do you mean again?
What's talking to me?
I'm not talking to you.
How was that possible?
Because you touched the go board. My spirit was attached to that board.
That thing?
Look. I can help you get an A on this.
Okay.
Okay, so, let's see. The polynomial function has a weighting to it. How would I help you?
Want you to?
If I help you pass this test, will you let me take out?
No, I don't think you ever think that.
But I want
No. You're 4,000 years old. Okay. Here we go, okay?
That was off at the start.
Alright,
guys
now
know that, right?
Look at me an A.
You kept looking back.
I know, because you guys kept going.
Now give me an A.
There is no really exact line. You have to get to the right place.
No, because like you
Now give me an A.
Needy child.
Okay, no, so what? Needy baby, greedy baby. Okay. No, so what happens is okay, so you know exactly. I'm turning the camera off. It's still filming.
Oh yeah.
A door. They keep breaking, Kayla.
Alright, class, 15 minutes until the test is over. Hey, I know this!
Why don't you just leave me alone?
Why do you hate me? Why?
Because you're so annoying.
Look, I can get you an A on this test. Yeah. Okay, so, if I help you on this test, will you let me take out?
No, I don't know what you said. Okay, oh my God, okay, this is really?
Let me take out?
Why do I keep on going up on your side?
Oh, it's because... What?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll edit this out.
Okay. So do we restart?
Yeah, you interrupted us in the middle of
No, but that's what the chick does. Hikaru has a friend, believe it or not.
Well, she was talking to me and you interrupted. We'll just cut that part out. It doesn't have to be exactly like the manga.
Nah. So,
Stop it. Stop it.
you here to play Go? Alright. How many times have you played? If you want, I can give you some handicap.
I don't need handicap.
Alright. Light goes first.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good. You?
What do you guys?
None.
Oh, this is your first time? Would you like me to give you some handicap?
Nope. I don't need handicaps.
Alright. Well, what goes first?
Wait, the 416 spot. 416.
I'm sorry.
Wait.
Can you say?
Wait, what was you saying?
She's like. The scene kept getting interrupted.
Yes, it does.
Replay.
Marketers.
Oh, knock it out. Would you mind if I play?
Sure.
How many times have you played before?
Never had.
Really? Do you want some handicap?
Nope. You think I want handicaps?
Her facial
Let's just edit this
expression.
part out, okay?
Go.
Do it. What do I do?
Keep going.
Okay. So do you want any handicap? Alright. White goes first.
Team 4. What was that? 415. On spot, but okay.
Did we redo it?
No. You just edit it out. You just need to lose. No. What did you mind?
How do I lose?
Just act like you lost. It's good enough.
No. Okay. It looks like.
Okay. Wait, is it rolling?
I don't know.
I don't know.
So. I don't think it's rolling. We should do some behind the scenes stuff.
Okay.
But not like you messed up! Go ahead and record.
Record?
Yeah, because it's going to be for behind.
Okay, ready?
Wait, what am I doing?
For behind.
Come on, Grandpa. Teach me how to play Go.
Oh, you're taking an interest, I see. You know, in my day, we used to actually put money
Yeah,
on
let's
this game.
play this.